Bean Beauty special announcement. Just wanted to let y'all know that Tuesday, January the 30th, I will be going live with Melissa from Melissa's Corner at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. So come on over and visit with us. We will be there January the 30th, Tuesday at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. Come ready for some nice, fun chit-chatting time together. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hi, Bean Beauties. Dee Dee Bean here. How are you doing? Welcome back to the Dog Pound. If you saw my other video, you know why I'm saying welcome to the Dog Pound. It's been crazy. Okay, so this is a continuation of the denims that are what I bought in alternatives to the LV drop. It's called the Remix. If I had the money, I would be buying them, but I don't have the money. And I was already buying denim because I love denim. I love denim. So I was already purchasing denim since like August. So I'll be telling you throughout the series when I purchased stuff, so you'll know, you know, it wasn't just because LV did their drop. I was already buying them. I was already buying denim. So, you know, LV was catching up to me now. I know Caleb did a thing of, is denim dead? You know, I'm like, denim is never dead. I don't know where you are, boy. Denim is never dead, at least not for this old lady. I mean, I've always been into denim, but, you know, we're in the area where we live. You know, that's just part of our lifestyle. This, though, actually was purchased, though, in anticipation of one of the items for LV. This is how it came. This is from Nordstrom, Nordstrom.com, and I purchased this back on November the 8th. Which is like the day, I think was the first day that I found out about the drop. So of course, LV is coming out with, or by this time already come out, I'll put a picture up of their Bumbag. So, as far as I know, I'm a little hot today. As far as I know, Dooney & Bourke does not have a bum bag. Never did. I don't think they've ever made a bum bag. I don't know. I mean, I could be wrong. Y'all tell me. So I was looking for one that was oh my goodness, was denim, wasn't as expensive. And Nordstrom had this. And it is, it's gorgeous. It is a Mally and Lily Evelyn denim and vegan leather belt bag. So the leather on here is vegan, which is okay, which means that it's just PU. But, you know, I thought, okay, for the price and for what it is, I fell in love with this style of bag, a sling bag. I wish it would work this way. On my vacation, the latest vacation that my husband and I did, the cruise vacation to, went to the Mexico regions, and we went on a cruise, and I used my, I had purchased a Vera Bradley sling back, a Vera Bradley sling backpack or a sling bag. It was the mini, and it was perfect. It's the perfect bag for cruising. It was a perfect bag, and I just fell in love with it. So now, like, I see what the hype's all about. When I saw this, which was before we went on vacation, I wasn't sure, but I thought, you know what, it'll be like that, you know, be like that. So these straps are not, wait, yeah, they didn't do the rings. Oh yeah, they did. So these straps do, I thought they did. I thought they were detachable, but I guess not. Or at least not easily. So they're adjustable but not detachable. And I will put it on the biggest length. I did buy something to kind of zhuzh it up, as Melissa from Melissa's Corner likes to say. She says zhuzh it up, I say bling it up. I just like to bling it up. So it's small, definitely a small chain. So I'm going to have to figure something out, but I had to do it once it got here, as far as because it's not, let's see, it's not going to fit me this way. Or will it? Let's see. Well, see, I wouldn't do it with this arm. I would do it this way because I'm right-handed. So, well, that's a maybe. I mean, really, it's just like inches. If the strap went a little bit longer, I needed to come down a little bit more, like here. But see, it's still tight. It's tight in the back, and so it's kind of feels uncomfortable. But in emergency, I guess I could wear it like this. Otherwise, I'm wearing it as a shoulder bag, which looks cute like that. What I bought for it to bling it up a little bit that I thought might work, and we'll see, maybe not. I actually have several of them, so this one might be too long for it. The price of this was $68, so I thought that was pretty reasonable considering. Let's go see at LV what their price of their bum bag is. Their bum bag is $2,600. So, yes. Oh, and it's not long enough. Yeah. I wanted it to hang like this way. But I have others. I'll have to pause the video in a second and go looking for the others and see. Oh, maybe that's why I bought two, because it comes with two. So maybe I thought this way. And then I can hang a chain. Oh yeah, and then I can hang a charm from that side. Oh yeah. See, I need to write myself notes because this was back, what, November the 4th? Is this what I said when I was doing that? And this is now January something. So, of course, how are we supposed to remember when we have so many other things going on? So I always write myself notes. I need to start writing myself notes like, why did you purchase this? So there, like that. And actually that even looks cute like that, because then I can hang a charm from there. So it would go like this on my shoulder. I can even put my hand there. I probably will change this to where this will hang this way. But if I were to put it crossbody, yeah, see, I can't do that because it's, it looks like I thought a third boob. Got a third boob, but I really like it. Let's give you the 360 of it. So it did not come with this. I bought these on Amazon. So just so you'll know, the price of this was at Nordstrom, $68. It's a Mally and Lily bag, and I'll insert a little bit of information probably over here, some information about the company. And here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. It's a really nice size. Other side. There's a zipper. Let's unzip it. Oh, nice smooth zipper like that. Oh, it comes with a dust bag. Very nice. I didn't know that. Very nice. Oh, this dust bag is nice and soft. Mally and Lily, founded for the one who does it all. Cute. The inside is cute, cute, cute. It has their names, Mally and Lily, and it's got the little pop of animal spots or something, cheetah, or I'm not sure, black and white spots. It has a little label here that says Mally and Lily Designers. It has a zipper here. It's kind of rose gold, but it's gold. Here's the pocket. I wonder if, let's see. And my cell phone won't fit in the pocket, in the zipper pocket. But probably because I would want a little bit faster access to it. It definitely fits in there, no problem. See? No problem at all. So my stuff this back in here. I really like this. Like I said, after finding that, after using that sling, the Vera Bradley sling, I fell in love with it. Candy always talks about her bum bags, and I think the bum bags are cute. My days they were called fanny packs, you know, so now they call them bum bags, belt bags, what have you. I've also been watching Vivienne Carlene. I'll put a picture of her up here. She's a new channel that I found. She is in one of the groups that I'm in. I'm not sure which group I found her in. I'll have to see if I can remember what group I found her in. And she's all about the bum bag, all about the bum bag. And she has one of her favorite bum bags is this Target bum bag, and Louis Vuitton is coming out with the black empreinte, and she says, no way, I'm sticking with my bum bag from Target. Thank you very much. She's had it for several years, but she's all about the bum bag too. So I was like, okay, but you know, I know the hype now, Vivi. She calls us all sis. So sis, I know the hype. I know the hype. So I'll put her information here. But I really like this. See, it's nice and simple, you know, nice and simple. And I just zhuzhed it up with this. Okay, so we're going to do it this way, so that it's on my side. Yeah, so this way. I want that to hang a little bit more. So I just wish that if this was detachable, and I could add just a little bit of an extender on it, it would be perfect. But you know, it is what it is. Maybe I'll lose a little bit of weight and then it'll be okay. Maybe it'll work. I don't really see any problems. The zipper here looks a little crooked as far as, like, you know, see if you look like that, but I'm guessing that's just because of how it is. I don't know. I don't have another bum bag, but the zipper is very smooth. See, very smooth. The denim on here is very pretty. I like it. Nice and soft denim. It's the gorgeous color. I love the color, and I loved how I blinged it up. And I'm going to add, I can add a little charm. I'll find a little charm that's not so bad there. But I like this hanging like that. So this is a keeper. So spending, let's see what it was with tax and all. $68 for the bag itself. $5.61 for taxes for me. $73.61. What did I save compared to LV's bum bag? $2,600, $2,600 plus tax. Who knows what that is? That's my savings. It's, you know, it's not even close to what the pattern is or anything, but it's denim. It's denim. I'm happy and I'm enjoying it. So hope y'all enjoyed it. Leave, put down in the comment box. Tell me, like, no way, or you like it, or let me know thoughts. Yay or nay. Yay or nay, crazy, not crazy, whatever it is, Beam Beauties. Thank you very much for coming by and visiting with me. And we'll see you on the next part of our series of alternatives to that LV denim. Love y'all. Bye.